Today, I'm going to talk about the 5 most common misconceptions about getting a mortgage that might be preventing you from your dreams of owning a home. I'm Nikki Wade from eXp Realty, and a lot of people I've talked to lately have put off their search for a home because of these common beliefs that simply aren't true. So let's dive in and see if any of these mortgage myths are preventing you from your dreams of home ownership. Myth number 1, and I'm sure you've heard by now that this isn't true, and that is that you have to have a 20% down payment. But the fact is that depending on the program, buyers are only required to put down as little as 3% on a home purchase. Myth number 2, you have to have perfect or near perfect credit to qualify for a mortgage. But this is far from the truth. Now, having an excellent credit score will certainly help you qualify for a better interest rate, but many lenders will lend to buyers with credit scores as low as 580. Myth number 3, the only thing you'll need to bring to the closing table is your down payment. And this one trips a lot of people up, especially if they start looking for a home before actually talking to a lender to get pre-approved. The reality is that in addition to your down payment, buyers need to bring additional funds for their closing costs. These include loan costs covering appraisals, loan origination, credit reporting, title insurance, and flood certification. Plus, you will have to also cover any tax prorations, funding your escrow account, and prepaid homeowners insurance. Depending on the home, this could range anywhere between $6,000 and $10,000. Asking the seller for concessions is one way to offset these closing costs and prepaid items. And myth number 4, find the house before you look into a mortgage. Now, this is a big one, and I've had buyers tell me that they plan to talk to a lender about a pre-approval only after they find a house they like. Here's why this is a problem. If you find a house you love, you will not have the ability to make an offer on the home without providing proof to the seller that you can actually afford it in the form of a pre-approval letter. Getting pre-approved before you start shopping gives you the ability to submit an offer immediately and beat out the competition. Also, falling in love with a home only to find out you won't be able to qualify for the purchase price can be devastating. It makes all the sense in the world to get pre-approved before you start shopping. And finally, we come to myth 5. That all pre-approvals and lenders are the same. This couldn't be farther from the truth. In fact, I have seen firsthand the devastating impact a less than competent lender can have on the home buying process. You want to work with a lender that is not only experienced, but provides a higher level of customer service. A good lender will be able to provide you with a pre-underwritten pre-approval. This will eliminate any hiccups in the mortgage process and increase the likelihood your loan will actually close. Your lender should never issue a pre-approval without taking an application, pulling credit, reviewing your income and assets, and making sure you have eligible underwriting findings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to share this video with anyone you know that's thinking of buying a home in the near future. If you're ready to get started or just have questions about qualifying for a mortgage or buying or selling a home, don't hesitate to call me at 248-654-8811 or go to www.nikkywade.com.